Guys, I have created something super special for you. Yes, I know and I'm aware if you're watching my content or you follow my channel is because you either a live streamer or a content creator trying to build an audience online, and you're looking for tips and tools to help you grow and make professional, good-looking streams and content or video content. Or you're a business owner trying to build a business or an online business, and you're learning some tips and tools to help you create video content either for podcasting or creating webinars or any type of content including live streams. If that's not the case, let me know down below. Let me know what you're trying to do, but I have a pretty good idea that you part of one of those two categories. Now, I have created something that's gonna be super valuable, that's gonna help you grow faster, create more engaging and good looking live streams and video content, and save time because you're gonna have access to resources, tools, and access to me personally. You're gonna be able to ask me questions, personalized questions, guys, that I can answer in a WhatsApp group chat. That's gonna be me and my team available 24/7. I mean, sometimes I gotta sleep, you will understand, but I'm gonna do my best to be available to answer any question that you may have. Plus, you're gonna be able to join a community of other people like-minded trying to do exactly the same thing, and that's through drum roll YouTube memberships. Yeah, that's right, I have actually launched a super exciting YouTube membership community. So right now I have 3 tiers. The first one is for someone who really wants to support me. It's called supporter. Support my channel so that I can continue create free content that's gonna help you guys. I've been doing this for 4 years. I've created over 300, close to 400 videos, including live streams, shorts, and long form content, and I've accumulated close to 3 million views so far. I've worked with brands like Panasonic, Logitech, Osbat, Riverside, so many cool brands that have collaborated with me. I've also made a lot of mistakes and have been learning a lot of stuff along the way. And what I want to do, guys, to continue to give you my skills and knowledge for free here on YouTube. So if you actually support me for only $3, guys, $2.99 here on YouTube through memberships per month, you're gonna be able to help me really continue to create and share free tips and tools to level up your content game. Now, on the top of actually supporting me with this tier, you also gonna have priority in comments replies. So when you ask a question through comments, I'm gonna see your name and I'm gonna recognize that you are a member, so I'm gonna reply to you as fast as possible. On the top of that, sometimes I create videos and I schedule them before they go public. You're actually gonna have access to those videos before anyone else because you remember it's a privilege, so you're gonna get to see those videos before they go public. So that's the first tier. The second tier is the one that's gonna be even more exciting. It's called the partner, and it's only $9.99. And what it gives you access to me personally to be able to answer any question you may have. You're either trying to build a new studio and you're confused, you have a small budget, you don't know what kind of gear to get. Instead of going through hundreds of videos on YouTube, including my own videos, you can actually ask me, hey Sam, what's up? You're gonna have access to my WhatsApp number through a WhatsApp chat or a WhatsApp group. You can actually post, hey Sam, I'm trying to build a studio. What kind of light you think would be good for under $50? Hey, I'm browsing right now on Amazon. I just found this light. You think it's a good light? You think it's gonna be good enough for a YouTube studio? Hey, I just got this camera, or I'm trying to buy this camera, Sam. You think this is gonna be a good camera for building my YouTube studio? I'm on budget. I don't want to spend more than $500. Hey, Sam, I want to level up to the next level. I need the mirrorless camera. Which one you think is gonna be best for mobile live streaming? I'm trying to do this for my business. You know, any question that you may have, this is gonna help you save time, save money, and obviously you're gonna look professional every time you go live or you create video content, because guess what? You're gonna get advice from me, your favorite creator. So this was the tier number 2, which is partner. Now, tier number 3 is gonna be even more exciting. Now, I call this producer. This is for someone who's really into creating content and going live on a regular basis, right? Maybe you're a full-time creator, or even if you're not full-time, but you creating content on a regular basis, you're going live, you're creating webinars, you're creating YouTube videos, you're creating shorts, and you want the behind the scenes access, some of the things that I'm actually testing, learning here and there, but you also want access to my streaming templates, recording templates, my OBS settings, streaming overlays, plus you're gonna get access to streamtools.com, which is a store that I have created for you guys where I actually sell live streaming templates, layouts, OBS settings, microphone filters to make your streams look even better and good and professional. So you're gonna have access to that for free, guys. This is a store that I actually charge money to get one asset. It's probably like $10 to $30 to get a live streaming overlay kit. Some of them are like $20, $30, just one. But guess what? You're gonna have full access to download unlimited, really any assets that you want from streamtools.com. You're gonna have access to it anytime you want it for life. I mean, as long as you're a member, obviously. So this is $24.99. Again, guys, the whole thing here is, one, to support me there so that I can continue to create content, but also for you to get faster access to me so that I can help you go faster, grow faster, look professional, create professional content, save money, and actually be able to even make money. Because guess what? I've been doing this for over 4 years and I've made money, and even now I'm making money. And I would love to share some tips behind the scenes, some of the things that I cannot post here on YouTube because of the algorithm and the search engine. You're gonna have access to me and be able to ask those questions, and I'm gonna be available for you so that I can actually help you. So this is exciting, good news. I'm gonna leave a link down below so you can actually join. So make sure you join, guys. Hit that join button, and I can't wait to see you inside so we can actually get started and get this thing going. All right, guys, if there's something in particular that would be more valuable to you guys, I'm open. Leave comments down below and let me know. I'll be more than happy. If it's possible for me to include that in the membership perks, I'll be more than happy to actually accommodate that. So I'm looking for your feedback, your comments and suggestions down below. Please do so. Even if you can join, I just need your feedback of something that may be really valuable to you guys. But other than that, guys, if you want to know more about streamtools.com and some of the assets that we have created that will help you look professional and level up your content creation game, I'm gonna leave the video right here, so make sure you check it out, and I will see you there, guys. Take care.